ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। श्रीमन्नारायणीयम्। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः। दशकं 31 श्लोका 5। याचत्येवं यदि स भगवान् पूर्णकामोऽस्मि सोऽहम् दास्याम्येव स्थिरमिति वदन् काव्यशप्तोऽपि दैत्यः विन्ध्यावल्या निजदयितया दत्तपाद्याय तुभ्यं चित्रं चित्रं सकलमपि सः प्रार्पयत्तोयपूर्वम्। Word by word meaning. Yadi Saha Bhagavan. If that Lord, who is himself the abode of all wealth, etc., Evam Yachati, is begging thus, Saha Aham, I, Purna Kamaha, Asmi, am one whose desires are fulfilled. Dasyami Eva, I shall certainly give. Iti Sthiram, Vadan Saha Daityaha, saying so firmly that Asura, Kavya Shaptaha, Api, though cursed by Kavya, Shukracharya, Nija Daitaya, Vindhyavalya, by his wife Vindhyavalli, Dattapadhyaya Tubhyam, to thee, to whom water for the feet had already been given, whose feet had already been washed. Toya Purvam, along with water, Sakalam Api, everything. Prarpayat, offered. Chitram Chitram, how wonderful. Full meaning. Bali then said, if that Lord himself has thus come down to beg from me, I consider myself as one whose desires have all been fulfilled. I shall therefore certainly give the gift. Though he was cursed by Shukracharya for thus disobeying him, Bali proceeded to offer everything along with water to thee, whose feet had been washed by his queen Vindhyavali. What a wonder! Om Tat Sat.